now.
Hi, my name is Brian McGraw, professional stealer. I've been stealing things my whole life. For example, where'd it go? Yeah, I know you didn't see where it went, but when you become so adept at stealing, it's just that easy. Now I'm going to show you non-stealers how to steal, okay? Follow me. You see this? This is a teacher. They have some.
Glory, don't steal nothing from me.
Naturally. It's not stealing. No, that's the one. It's not stealing if you don't get caught. Well, if they don't know about it.
Glory, put that out of your pocket. Put it back in.
I didn't take anything yet, man. I didn't
Stop.
take anything.
I'm not reaching into your pocket. That's weird.
I didn't take anything. I literally just watched American.
Weird.
Bro, I'm not getting weird, man. Come on. I think.
Stay away from my desk.
Yes, sir.
Abigail wants you to steal from her. Stop trying to take my thing.
Gotcha. All right, no, you're okay. See, now that's how you take something without someone even. And that's how you lie, right there. You got to be adept at lying to steal if you get caught.
Give me your test backs.
Did I do good?
You see this? Very, very valuable. Worth about $2. We keep this. We keep stuff like this. No one ever suspects the shirt.
Riley Johns.
You nigger. Give me my iPad back.
I don't have your iPad, asshole. I don't have your iPad, man. So chill out.
I would say a curse word and you would get taken off YouTube, brother. That quick.
Right.
You already said the N-word.
There's always a large quantity of books. Very useful thing to steal. You can,
Hey, yo, we put a blow Trump's house.
you can always just say you're pregnant if they catch you in this state. They won't check. You can sue them for
You forgot the permanent enrollment pass?
that.
Summer Sadowski.
Jamar, get from behind me, bro.
Marker writings are always so good.
Abby Shaw.
Lotion, $2 a drop. Put that in my pocket.
Steal your from
Dayon Goodwin.
Are you kidding me? I was like doing this right, and I gave up my.
Go ahead and steal the teacher's iPad.
Hey, don't give it to me, baby.
Kaylin Nash. It's not Ed. Edgar.
Whatever, I got a C on it.
Colin.
Look.
I didn't take it.
Aaron. Braden Hood.
Now, you've gotten a lot of things today.
Jabori.
Yo, let's look at our loot.
Malachi.
As you can see, we've sold a variety of items in the past minute. In the past minute, it's just that easy. Now, there are a lot of unsuspecting people. Now here's your average heifer right here. Not very overweight. They're not.
Hey.
Was that the hard R?
You see, because he's
That
half
was a hard R.
he's half white, so he only gets like 8 of those a day.
All right, shut that
Black
down.
History Month ends for
Want to
me,
give an
unfortunately.
announcement?
All right, now that's how you steal, guys. Got the damn goodie.